Currently 12 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Those winds out of the west at 13 miles per hour. Humidity at 67%. So it's been a decent day for a good portion of the UP. And temperatures also beginning to rebound as well. 10 in Ironwood, 15 in Ontonagon, 20 in Houghton. Ironwood was actually pretty brutal in those single digits for a good portion of the last 48 hours. So they're finally getting out of those single digits and now finally into double digits. And that'll be the continuing trend for everyone going into your Friday. 16 in Escanaba, 14 in Munising, 18 in St. Ignace. Those winds, though, continue to be the main issue, really driving that wind chill down into the negatives. 13 in Marquette, 8 in Iron Mountain. Out of the west, Houghton, though, blowing a lot stronger at 25 miles per hour. Looking at those headlines as we go into the next couple of days, especially the first half of the weekend, we're going to be dealing with a cold front with a new disturbance attached to it. And that's really going to cause more snow to come in throughout the UP. But it will be quiet, at least for tonight and tomorrow, so do take advantage of that. But long-term sunshine and even warmth will return as we go towards Sunday and going into the middle portion of next week. But before we get there, we just got to deal with the next 48 hours. Current wind chill throughout the entire Wolverine state, hovering near zero, either on either side of the plate. 6 in Alpena, 3 in Gaylord, -1 in Grand Rapids. Towards the UP, -6 in Ironwood. They also saw wind chills in the -20s throughout the last couple of evenings as well. 2 degrees positive in Iron Mountain, -3 in Marquette. Some of those totals for the Keweenaw Peninsula: 6 inches in Chassell, a little bit over 4 in Painesdale, a little bit over, slightly under 2.5 in Hancock at 2.3, and Houghton right on the money at 2 inches. They were actually under blizzard warnings from Tuesday morning until tonight, but the good news is today they finally began to downgrade it from a blizzard warning all the way down to a winter weather advisory, which will be ending at the same time at 7 p.m. Towards parts of the eastern UP, though, there is a winter storm warning in effect that will also expire at 7 p.m. as they can still deal with a couple more accumulations of snow as this lake effect continues to be dominant through parts of western lower Michigan as well. A couple of snow showers attached from Missouri all the way into South Dakota, and that's actually the tail end of what will be the next disturbance that will come in for us going into your Friday and Saturday. Low pressure for that system right now in parts of Idaho. The snow extends all the way from Oregon State towards Iowa. That Arctic blast still will be with us. It really will be tomorrow where we'll finally see some of that southwesterly flow really bringing those temperatures up before the precipitation begins late Friday night into your Saturday. And you can see it extends a good portion of the Midwest, the Plains, and the Eastern Rockies, where there's even blizzard conditions into parts of Wyoming, mixed precipitations into parts of Nebraska. For us, though, we're just going to deal with some sunshine tomorrow, snow really on Saturday, and better times on Sunday, and that will lead to more long-term conditions as we go towards next week. 3 degrees, it's going to be a cold one still with those winds out of the west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those winds begin to shift more tomorrow, and those temperatures will also rebound mostly into those mid-teens. But after we get through the weekend, a lot better weather, a lot more sunshine as we get close to 30 degrees.